Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fixing Expert. If you're working from home more often, you know how crucial it is to have a well-equipped home office. Today, we're diving into the top 5 must-haves for your home office, complete with the latest trends to keep you both stylish and productive in 2024. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and trends. Let's jump right in. First on our list is ergonomic furniture, and trust me, it's a game changer. Investing in a comfortable chair and an adjustable desk can make a world of difference in your productivity and overall well-being. Look for designs that support good posture and allow you to customize the height and angles. Ergonomic furniture isn't just a trend, it's a necessity for long hours of work. Plus, with sleek and modern designs trending in 2024, you can keep your home office looking stylish and professional. Now, let's talk about lighting, a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of a home office. Natural light is fantastic, but it's not always available, especially during those late-night work sessions. That's where smart lighting comes in. In 2024, we're seeing a rise in intelligent lighting solutions that adapt to your circadian rhythm, enhancing focus during the day and promoting relaxation in the evening. Next up, let's embrace the tech-savvy side of home offices. In 2024, it's all about efficiency and convenience. Invest in gadgets like wireless chargers, cable organizers, and ergonomic keyboards to declutter your workspace and streamline your workflow. Now, let's talk about creating a space that inspires you. Personalized decor and a touch of greenery can transform your home office into a haven of creativity. In 2024, we're seeing a shift towards personalized and nature-inspired designs. It's time to make your home office uniquely yours. Last but certainly not least, let's address the backbone of your home office: high-speed internet and connectivity. With the rise of remote work, a reliable and fast internet connection is non-negotiable. In 2024, we'll explore the latest advancements in home office connectivity, from Wi-Fi 6 routers to smart hubs that optimize your network performance. Say goodbye to lag and dropped calls, and hello to seamless virtual collaboration. There you have it, folks, the top 5 must-haves for your home office in 2024. Whether you're revamping your current workspace or setting up a new one, these trends will keep you ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow remote workers. And as always, let us know in the comments which trend you're most excited to try out. Until next time, stay productive and stylish. If you want more tips on the latest trends and tech reviews, subscribe to Fixing Expert. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.